told you we have three kinds of injera.
Yeah.
So this one, the baking with maize.
Ah,
Maize
nice.
injera.
Nice.
Because the tape one is little expensive for those people.
Ah.
Mostly the town people, they use that one.
Ah.
So this prepared by maize, corn.
Ah, wow, that's fascinating.
Yeah, we will see when baking.
Yeah. Wow. It's ready to eat.
Yeah.
Maybe you can try after.
Oh, I will definitely try her injera.
When she was.
So this one is, like you said, this is made from maize, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Made from the maize.
Yes. Oh yeah.
Actually, it's easy for them to
Uh-huh.
make.
Uh-huh.
But when you try a little bit.
Yeah, it's
you
hard,
will
right?
like
I'm
to see
sure,
the
right?
experience.
You try to do it, you'll mess it up, but she can do it so easily.
Yeah.
Which branch, which tree is she using for the
This
fire?
one?
Yeah.
It's not like oak, but something like trees. Trees from the big one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it's very easy to burn.
Yeah, it seems like it burns nice and slow.
Yeah.
So
But it's quick.
yeah.
The
Okay.
fire very quickly.
Okay. Hello.
To say hello, you say Hasani.
Asini. Ah. Nice. So she's making that injera from scratch, from maize. As KB was saying, there are 3 ways to make the injera. And, sorry. We're going to taste her injera. Nothing like local, original Ari tribe injera. Ah, yeah. Making a video. So we're going to switch it and put it in selfie mode. Hello, baby. How are you? Abo? Asini. Huh? Ah, Abo. Huh? Abo? And that is strictly for their own consumption. They don't like sell this, right? It's strictly for the family to eat. They don't sell it.
Yeah, they don't sell.
Yeah, right. Just
But
for.
sometimes some people they try to.
Yeah.
But actually, this one injera for them very easy. to
Yeah,
get
yeah.
From the farm.
Yeah.
As well to cook and it's very cheap.
Right.
But If they try to buy the tape one, very expensive. The tape,
I see.
They cost a lot.
Got you.
Jay, now is your turn.
My turn?
Okay.
Okay. She'll have to show me.
He will help you.
Like you start from the here, and you can make circle like this.
Just come in the circle.
Yeah.
Sorry if I messed this up, okay?
No problem.
Alright, folks, that goes nothing.
Yes,
Ah, no!
She will add for you.
Oh, thank you.
You baking like bread.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's good.
Kind of messed it up.
Good. Yeah, yes.
Number 10.
Nice. Yeah. Let's see how mine turns out. Maybe I should eat mine, you know?
We will try it.
Yeah.
You can try it. You can eat your injera.
For sure. Yeah, to your point,